Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Nurul Iza binti Shahabuddin, the group leader for Group 5. In this video, we'll be presenting our seminar paper titled Strategies and Challenges in Organizational Talent Management. Our group consists of 5 members and together we'll walk you through our discussions, key insights and findings. Talent management has become a critical component of modern organizational structures. It focuses on how organizations attract, develop, engage, and retain employees who can contribute to sustainable growth and competitiveness. In this paper, our main objective is to review key approaches in talent management and to analyze the challenges organizations face when implementing these practices. To guide our analysis, we adopted two key theories, which are resource-based view RBV theory and human capital theory. Based on these theories, we identified four key talent management strategies, which are continuous learning, employee engagement and retention, talent mobility, and internal talent marketplaces. Together, these strategies help build workplace capabilities, improve performance, and maintain a competitive edge. In terms of methodology, this study uses a qualitative approach based on secondary data such as academic journals, books, and industry reports. From our findings, although talent management practices are becoming more widely adopted, organizations still face several significant challenges. Importantly, our analysis shows that these challenges are interconnected and they directly affect how effective talent management strategies can be. Talent man-
Good day to you, Doctor. My name is Movin and my metric number is 241024484. Today, I will be presenting the introduction section of our seminar paper on strategies and challenges in organizations. This section covers the background of the study, research problem, objectives, research questions, and scope of the paper. So, talent management refers to how organizations attract, develop, engage, and retain employees who are important for achieving business goals. It's a key factor in improving organizational performance and competitiveness. Common practices includes leadership development, performance management, and succession planning, which help build long-term workforce capability rather than just filling vacancies. Next, in terms of research problem, although many organizations have formal talent management systems, they still face major challenges in practice. These include difficulties in attracting the right talent and retaining high performing employees. Often, there's a gap between what is planned in talent management strategies and what employees actually experience, which can lead to turnover and low engagement. So, the objectives of this study are to identify the main strategies used in talent management, to analyze the challenges organizations face when implementing these strategies, and finally, to suggest practical recommendations for improving talent management practices. This study is guided by three main questions. What strategies organizations use in talent management? What challenges they face when implementing these strategies? And finally, how these practices can be improved to achieve better outcomes. Finally, the scope of this paper focuses on talent management at the organizational level. The discussion covers key activities such as attracting, developing, engaging, retaining employees, and succession planning. This analysis is based on secondary data obtained from journal articles and other scholarly sources rather than a specific organization and industry. That concludes the introduction section of our seminar paper. Thank you, Doctor, for your time and attention.
Next, I will present about the talent management framework and theory. So, what is talent management? Talent management is the strategic process used by organization to attract, to develop, and also to retain talented employees. It is important because employees are not just workers, but they are the valuable organizational asset. The two main theories that we have in this study is the resource-based view and also the human capital theory. So, resource-based view suggests that the organization gain competitive advantage through valuable and also difficult to copy resources. So, in this context, it is referring to the talented employees, which are the strategic assets. Whereas the human capital theory, it says that organization benefits when they invest in the employees' knowledge, skills, and also development. So here, training and developments are viewed as the investments, which helps to improve productivity and also organizational performance. Next is the talent management processes that we have identified from the previous studies. So basically, we found seven major processes that is an important components in talent management. So the first one is the workforce planning. Here is where the company or the organization identify the current needs and also the future workforce needs in the organization. And the next one is the recruitment and selection. Here is where they attract new employees to fill in the vacancies in the organization. So they will filter for suitable candidates according to their needs. And then after that, we have the onboarding process, which helps new employees to adapt to the organization culture and also to understand the job description. Then moving on, we have training and development process. So this is an important process where it starts from the new hiring stage and still continuously applied throughout the employment journey. So this helps to improve employees' skills, knowledge, and also helps with career growth. And then next we have the performance management process. So here is where the organization can monitor and also improve employee performance and to ensure that employee is aligned with the organizational goal. And then next we have the reward and compensation process. So here, it will help to improve motivation for the employees to achieve the goals according to or align with the organizational um, goals as well. So this helps to improve what you call retention of the talented employees and also reduce the novel intention. And last but not least is the succession planning, where an organization prepare for a future leader in the company.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Doctor. My name is Ramla Saharini, metric number 243057173, and I will present Literature Review Part 2, which focusing on 4 key strategies in talent management. So the first one is continuous learning, which focuses on developing employee capability and adaptability. For example, the organization can include online learning platform, professional certifications, and leadership development programs. So the second strategy is employee engagement and retention, which aim to strengthen the commitment and reduce employee turnover. Organizations often use recognition programs and flexible working arrangements to improve employee satisfaction, such as work from home or work from anywhere. The third strategy is talent mobility, where employees are given the opportunities to move across departments, projects, or different roles through initiatives such as job rotation and cross-functional assignments. So the final strategies is internal talent marketplace, where organization match employee capabilities with suitable internal opportunities. For example, employees may apply for internal projects, leadership programs, or vacant position before external recruitment are conducted. So after discussing the 4 talent management strategies in the literature in previous slide, we can see that each strategy contribute to organizational success in different ways. We start with the continuous learning. Previous study shows that when organizations invest in employee learning and development, employees are able to improve their knowledge and skills. It not only enhances their performance, but also encourages innovations and continuous improvement within their organizations. The second strategy is employee engagement and retentions. Employees who feel valued, supported, and recognized are more likely to stay committed to their organizations. It helps organizations to maintain a stable workforce and reduce the challenges associated with the employee turnover. Moving on to the telemobility, which is the strategy provide opportunities for employees to explore different roles, projects, or departments. Besides supporting career growth, it's also give organization great flexibility to respond to changing business demands. And finally, the internal talent marketplace allow organizations to better utilize their existing talent by matching employees with suitable opportunities based on their skills and capabilities. It improves workforce allocations and help maximize organizational resources. And overall, the literature suggests that these strategies are closely connected and should not be implemented separately. When it combined, it creates a more capable and engaged and adaptable workforce. It contributes to sustainable organizational performance and long-term success. With that, I conclude the literature review findings on telemanagement strategies.
Hi, my name is Mastura. Next, I'll be covering the current challenges and trend in managing talents. So this slide shows the main challenges organizations face in managing talent today. First, many organizations face talent shortage and skill gaps, especially in digital, AI, and technical areas. So training may not be effective if employees do not already have the basic skill readiness. Second, the workforce is becoming more diverse. Different generations may have different expectations. Like for example, older employees may prefer stability while younger employees often want flexibility and faster career growth. Third, technology and AI can support talent management, but they may also create problems such as bias, lack of trust, and poor adoption. Fourth, employees today also expect more than just salary. They would want flexibility, purpose, career growth, and regular feedback. And lastly, global organizations must also manage legal, cultural, and data protection issues across different countries. Now let's look at how these challenges affect specific talent management strategies. Continuous learning depends on employees' existing skill. Engagement and retention depends on employee expectation. Talent mobility depends on whether employees are ready to move into the new roles or not. Internet talent marketplaces and AI systems also need trust, fairness, and transparency. Therefore, organizations need an integrated approach. They must connect training, engagement, mobility, technology, and compliances together. In conclusion, talent management is not only about attracting talent, it is also about helping employees grow, move, and stay in the organization. Overall, understanding these challenges and their impact on strategy is essential. In the next section, our group will propose practical recommendations to improve the effectiveness, fairness, and sustainability of talent management practices.
Now let's move on to the recommendation part. For the first recommendation, organizations should adopt an integrated approach to talent management by aligning key processes such as recruitment, training, performance management, and succession planning with overall organizational goals. By doing so, organizations can ensure better workforce utilization and place the right talent in the right roles at the right time. This integrated approach also helps to improve long-term workforce planning and support sustainable organizational performance. Secondly, organizations need to address skills gaps by implementing data-driven learning and development programs. Instead of using general training methods, companies should focus on identifying specific skills required for future industry demands, especially with rapid technology changes. By customizing learning programs based on employee needs and market trends, organizations can build a more capable and adaptable workforce. Moving on to the next recommendations. The third recommendation is to promote workforce diversity by ensuring inclusive and fair talent management practices. Organizations should consider different employee backgrounds and needs when designing recruitment, training, and career development programs. This helps to create equal opportunities and improve overall employee performance and satisfaction. Next, organizations must adapt to technology by providing proper training and support for digital tools and artificial intelligence in talent management. While technology improves efficiency, it must be used responsibly to avoid issues such as bias and lack of understanding among employees. Finally, enhancing employee engagement is very important. Organizations should focus on career growth, work-life balance, and continuous feedback. By creating a supportive and employee-centered environment, companies can increase job satisfaction, strengthen the commitment, and reduce employee turnover. To conclude this presentation, talent management has become a critical strategic driver for organizational success and long-term competitive advantage. As discussed in this seminar paper, organizations today must go beyond traditional human resource practices and adopt a more strategic and integrated approach to managing talent. Key talent management strategies such as continuous learning, employee engagement, talent mobility, and internal talent marketplaces play an important role in enhancing workforce capability, flexibility, and overall organizational performance. However, despite these strategies, organizations continue to face several challenges in implementation. These include skill shortages, workforce diversity, rapid technological advancement, and changing employee expectations, all of which can affect the effectiveness of talent management practices. Therefore, it is important for organizations to focus on continuous innovation and adaptability. By investing in employee development, organizations can build a resilient and future-ready workforce. In conclusion, effective talent management is not a one-time effort, but a continuous and evolving process that is essential for achieving sustainable organizational success. Ultimately, organizations that successfully manage their talent today will be the ones that lead, innovate, and thrive in the future.